Today we will be talking about a first information report FIR. The main point of difference between a first information report FIR and a police complaint is that an FIR relates to a cognizable offences, whereas a police complaint can be filed for both cognizable and non-cognizable class of offences. Though FIR is similar to a complaint, there are differences in terms of offenses they deal with, punishments, legal consequences, evidentiary values, etc. Further, FIR is required to be launched at the police station near the place of commission of the crime, while the complaint can be filed with the Metropolitan Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate, First Class or Equivalent Court as well, with a view to requesting action on it. According to Section 2D of CRPC 1973, a complaint is an allegation, oral or in writing, to a magistrate that some person known or unknown has committed an offence with a view of his taking action on such complaint. A magistrate can take the cognizable of a complaint according to Section 190 of the CRPC 1973. When a magistrate take cognizance of an offence under receipt of a complaint or otherwise, he examines the complaint in accordance with Section 200 by examining the facts and witnesses. If he finds that the complaint is with merits, the case is deemed committed for trial, and the magistrate issues either the summons or warrants under Section 204. If the offences is exclusively trialable by the Court of Session, the magistrate commits the case to the Court of Session under Section 209. Indian criminal law do not provide any strict form for a complaint, and thus an affidavit or a petition may also amount to a complaint in a court of law, whereas there is a predetermined format of an FIR from the perspective of the police. If they get any information regarding a commission of a cognizable offence orally or in writing, they reduced it in writing into given format under Section 154 of CRPC. In the case of FIR, if the offence involved is of cognizable nature, thus the police has the authority to initiate the investigation in the said case without prior permission from the magistrate and then file a charge sheet. On the other hand, when a magistrate takes cognizable of an offence on the basis of complaint, he orders an investigation in the matter and can also direct the police to launch an FIR if he feels that the offence is of a serious nature. He can act upon the complaint only if he reveals a prima facie commission of an offence.